Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we tap to this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the first position we have location tags option with short info from the device that this adds tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let's move back to the camera and to the button from the left at the bottom, to the gallery, to the recent picture I've taken. To check its location we have to just simply slide down, and as you can see here we get access to the full address with the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.